Now, Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg has sued Republican U.S. Representative Jim Jordan in a bid to stop what Bragg calls an unconstitutional attack on the ongoing criminal prosecution of former U.S. President Donald Trump. Bragg on Tuesday filed a federal lawsuit seeking to block a House Judiciary Committee subpoena issued by Jordan to a former prosecutor who played a key role in Bragg's criminal investigation of Trump. The House Judiciary Committee recently issued a subpoena seeking testimony from a former prosecutor, Mark Pomerantz, who previously oversaw the Trump investigation and sparred with Bragg over the direction of the probe before leaving office last year.
We today uphold our solemn responsibility to ensure that everyone stands equal before the law. No amount of money and no amount of power changes that enduring American principle.
Now, Bragg claims in the suit that Trump, Jordan and other members of his committee are participating in a campaign of intimidation, retaliation and obstruction. In response, Jordan has accused Bragg of abusing his prosecutorial powers for political reasons. Taking to Twitter, Jordan said, and I'm quoting here, "First they indict a president for no crime. Then they sue to block congressional oversight when we ask questions about the federal funds they said that they used to do it." The lawsuit is the latest volley in a nearly month-long back-and-forth between congressional Republicans and Bragg's office. Bragg had earlier announced 34 charges against Trump over alleged hush money payments meant to help his 2016 presidential campaign, including paying $130,000 to porn star Stormy Daniels.
The defendant repeatedly made false statements on...
For more on this, our correspondent Susan Tehrani has sent us this report. Listen in.
Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg sued the Judiciary Committee and its chairman, Jim Jordan, on Tuesday in an effort to block the committee from subpoenaing a former attorney that worked in Alvin Bragg's office on the case of former President Donald Trump. Jordan subpoenaed Mark Pomerantz 2 days after Donald Trump was arraigned at a Manhattan courtroom earlier in April. You may remember that Pomerantz was that attorney that quit Alvin Bragg's office last year, initially when Bragg decided not to indict the former president. He later on went to write a book about the former president. Bragg's lawsuit, which was filed in Manhattan, called Jordan's subpoena, quote, unprecedentedly brazen and unconstitutional attack on the case of Donald Trump. Meanwhile, Alvin Bragg's indictment raises thorny issues about federal and state issues and may be thrown out of the Manhattan courtroom ultimately based on legal grounds. Susan Tehrani reporting from New York for WION World is One.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.